Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about find the element using CSS selectors. How you can locate any element using CSS selectors. It's very easy and simple. In last video we did for XPath. What you have to do is just you have to click here, right click, and you have to inspect which element you want to inspect. Hover on it. So let's say I want to press this login button using CSS selector. Just click here, and if you will do here, right click and copy. So there is copy selector. Copy the selector here, and this code will be remain same. Driver, WebDriver, Chrome. I'm loading here. After that, here driver find element by XPath. So instead of this, I will use driver dot find element by CSS selectors. Just paste it, and after that I need to click on it. So click method just you can use here. So if I will run this program, you can see the output. My browser got loaded and it will wait for 5 seconds. It got pressed. So using CSS selectors also you can select the element. But in industry, we are using CSS selector, then we are using XPath, then ID and name. So these are the selectors most useful in industry. So in next video, we will work with Selenium IDE, which is very useful to automate the test cases in Firefox. Thanks for watching.